Uline's adhesive transfer tape dispensers allow you to easily attach signs and tags to smooth surfaces. The Uline Adhesive Transfer Tape Dispenser can hold rolls up to 3/4 inch wide by 36 yards long. No blade is needed. The tape breaks apart when the trigger is released and the dispenser is lifted. To load the dispenser with adhesive transfer tape, open the cover of the dispenser. Place the tape roll on the drive gear hub so it unwinds below the roll. Push down on the roll until the inner tab snaps into place. Then, thread the tape liner up over the roller closest to the hub and down in between the first and second roller. Pull the liner over the top of the tape roll and thread it into the rewind hub. Rotate the rewind hub counterclockwise to tighten the liner. Then close the cover. To dispense tape, apply pressure on the outermost roller. Press the trigger and roll the dispenser backwards. Once complete, release the trigger and lift the dispenser up to break the tape. A 1/4 inch adapter is included if you are using 1/4 inch wide tape rolls. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.